Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got one of the best weather days of the spring coming up for us today as we're going to see those temperatures warm into the mid to upper 70s. See abundant sunshine, just a beautiful spring day out there in store for us. Yesterday across the region we saw temperatures generally running in the 70s, so very nice weather yesterday, and it's going to continue here for the next few days as we really get some springtime temperatures in here, actually running about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. We saw 74 degrees the daytime high at both Richmond and in Washington, D.C. Wallops hitting that 71 degree mark for our daytime high yesterday. Overnight last night, temperatures generally running in the upper 40s to the low to mid 50s. 53 degrees your low temperature here at Wallops. No measurable precipitation over the last 24 hours. And as of 9 a.m., this temperature's generally running in the mid to upper 60s under sunny skies. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, showing winds generally out of a north to a northwest direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to around 25,000 feet. Winds fairly light aloft as well, 12 knots at the 1,000 foot level as of this morning's balloon release, and you can see winds just gradually increasing as you go up in height. 12,000 foot level we see 29 knots. That's the highest wind speed that we see here in the first 25,000 feet. Freezing level this morning was at 10,700 feet. Current surface analysis showing the reason why we're going to see this warm, unseasonably warm atmosphere for today is we see the high pressure off the southeast coast really pumping in a southwesterly flow up the eastern seaboard, and we're going to see again those temperatures about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. Looking at our satellite, infrared satellite showing mostly clear skies from Florida all the way up into the northeastern United States this morning as high pressure dominates our weather, and just a little bit of cloudiness off to the west that will be streaming through later tonight into early tomorrow morning. But for the most part today we're going to see abundant sunshine and really very little cloudiness out there throughout the next several hours. Looking at our radar, you can see nothing in our immediate area, and we're not expecting any throughout the remainder of the day with dry conditions continuing. And then as you look here at our forecast models and what we can expect, we're going to look through the next couple of days as we go through the morning hours tomorrow. Before 8 o'clock you could see just a light rain shower or sprinkle associated with a disturbance that will be moving through quickly during the early morning hours tomorrow. Not expecting anything significant. If we do get anything at all, it will be very light, and the chances are under 10%. So we'll see those cloudy to mostly cloudy skies during the morning hours, becoming mostly sunny by the afternoon tomorrow. Looking at high pressure returning to the area and providing us with some very nice conditions during the afternoon hours of Wednesday. So we go into Thursday, we'll start to see a little bit of upper level energy begin to make its way toward the Wallops area. Not expecting any precipitation to really make its way to our area until possibly late Thursday night into the day on Friday. You can see here on Friday start to see those showers and thunderstorms associated with that energy really starting to build into the region by the early afternoon hours of Friday, and then into the evening hours. Pretty good chance of some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm or two embedded with those showers as we go into the later portion of Friday. And then things clear out nicely for the weekend, expecting mostly sunny skies to return for Saturday and Sunday. So taking a look here at our next 24 hours in a little bit more detail, you can see just beautiful conditions today. A green chart across the board with no hazardous weather expected. 77 degrees your daytime high for today. Overnight tonight, mild conditions with mostly cloudy skies, and again that very slight chance of a few sprinkles early tomorrow morning before 8 a.m. We'll see an overnight low temperature of 62 degrees, and then for Wednesday's weather, expecting those mostly cloudy skies during the morning, becoming mostly sunny during the afternoon with a high of 76. And then for Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy skies expected. Again, those rain showers should hold off until late Thursday night, and we'll see a high temperature of 69 degrees. For our next 7 days, looking at the dry weather continuing into the middle portion of the week with those temperatures above normal for this time of year. about 10 degrees above normal for today and Wednesday, and then for Thursday we'll be about 5 degrees above normal. Average daytime high this time of year is about 65 degrees. And then for Friday we'll see the frontal boundary across the region, looking at a pretty good chance of some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm or two during the day on on Friday. We are looking at a little bit of uncertainty in the exact timing of the arrival of those showers and storms. Some of the models are bringing it in a little earlier, and some are bringing it in a little later in the day on Friday. So certainly stay tuned for that, and we'll be able to pinpoint that timing a little better for the end of the week as that front moves across the region. It does look like a pretty good agreement on high pressure settling in for the weekend, as we'll see mostly sunny skies returning to the area. Temperatures generally running in the upper 60s to low 70s for the weekend, and then starting out next week with mostly sunny skies and a high temperature right around 70 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.